How to add YouTube video comments to Microsoft Excel automatically. So this video is very useful for all the YouTubers here, because here I'm going to teach you that whenever a new comment is arrived on your YouTube channel, how you can automatically add the very same comment along with all video details into the Microsoft Excel. And for that you just need to set an automation in between YouTube and Microsoft Excel with the help of an automation software. And after that you do not have to do anything manually. Every time the comment will be arrived here, the same data will be added to the MS Excel, and in this way you can keep a track on your YouTube video comments directly from the MS Excel, so that you do not have to share the channel access with your team. You just need to share the access of your MS Excel, and this is how anyone can keep a track on the YouTube video comments. Want to learn how you can do that? Come with me and I'll show you the whole process step by step. So this is my YouTube channel and this is the comment section, and I want that whenever the new comments are coming, those comments should be posted automatically into the MS Excel, and for that I'll have to build a connection in between these applications, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can connect to different applications and automate several things. You can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I'll also attach this link into my description box. Now if you're a new user, you'll have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks every month to test these kinds of amazing automation. I'm already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I'm clicking on sign in, clicking on access now, and this is how I will reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, after which I'll have to click on this plus create workflow button and simply provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. So I'm going to provide the name as add YouTube video comments to Microsoft Excel. Okay, now click on create, and now you will find two boxes in front of you. Those are actually trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. And here according to our use case, whenever the comment is added into YouTube channel application, automatically export the comment in Microsoft Excel application. So this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation, and here we are building the automation of Google Sheets and YouTube. So that is why the trigger application here will be the YouTube only, and I want that whenever a new comment is added on our channel, this automation should start trigger. So that is why I've selected the same. Click on connect and click on add new connection, and the idea here is you'll have to connect your YouTube account. I'm sorry for that, YouTube account with the Pabbly Connect, and do not worry, Pabbly Connect is 100% safe. Your data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I have provided the access of my YouTube channel. Here you can see the authorization has been successful and it is even connected. Now it is asking to select the channel name and the maximum results. So I have the channel name as the demo channel only, so I'm going to select the same. Second thing, it is asking to select the maximum results. So the maximum results parameter specifies the maximum number of items that should be returned in the result set. Okay, acceptable values are 1 to 100 inclusive. The default value is 2. So what number of items you would like to receive here into the Pabbly Connect via YouTube, you'll have to define that thing. Okay, and the default value is 20. So how about I just add the random value as 50. Now if I'll click on this button, you will see that the most recent comment of your YouTube channel will be captured here. You can see your course is really nice. Let us check whether it is the same comment, basically the recent comment, and yes, you can see it is this most recent comment. Your course is really nice. But here in front of you, I'm going to post a new comment on a specific video, and you will see that how that comment is going to capture via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'm going to pick maybe the older video. So I have this video as beautiful video on beautiful earth, which is public. So how about I open this particular video and I'm going to post a comment here, something like that the earth is really nice, or it could be anything. Okay, so here I am writing the comment as very nice video, amazing visual effects, can you also create a video of moon? Okay, just a random comment which I'll be posting here, and it will be posted. Yes, it is posted. Coming back to my YouTube channel, and let us check whether this particular comment has been arrived or not. And if I'll click on haven't responded to, and yes, the comment has been captured. Now finally I'll be clicking on this button once again, and you will see this time the new comment will be captured here. Very nice video, amazing visual effects. Can you also create a video on moon? And the presence of this data clearly shows that the first step of our automation is working absolutely fine, because now onwards whenever a new comment will be arrived on channel, the details will be captured here in every 10 minutes. Now why in every 10 minutes? You'll have to read the instructions that this trigger will check for the new data in every 10 minutes. So what will happen? The system will go to the YouTube and will check for the new comments, whether the comment has been arrived or not in every 10 minutes. And whatever the comments has been arrived in last 10 minutes, it will capture those comments automatically, and this is going to happen in the backend. Okay, now what exactly we were looking for? Well, we were looking for the date of the comment on the channel. Well, we have already captured these two things: the video link, the video title, and the author name. I think I have received the author name here, so let me Control F and search for the author name. Okay, here you can see the author display name is demo channel, because I have posted the comment via this particular user only, so that is why it is currently showing the author name as this. But let's say some other user is posted a comment on your YouTube channel. In that case, the username of that particular user will be fetched out automatically. Okay, so we have all three details, basically the date, the comment, and the author. I also want the video link and video title. Basically the comment has arrived on which particular link, on which particular video title. Okay, so I'll have to check whether I have that data or not. Well, I have already did a check here, and yes, the comments, the details has not arrived here. So how and from where I'm going to get these details? Simply click on this plus icon, and here you will have to search for the YouTube application once again, and this time in the action event you will have to search for the list video by ID. I'm repeating this again. You'll have to go to this particular action event. Again click on connect, and this time I'll go with the existing connection instead of new connections, because I have already made the connections with my channel which are actually saved. Okay, now it is asking for the video ID, and I have captured. I remember that I had received the video ID as this, and I don't need to copy this particular video ID and paste it here. I'm going to map it, and mapping is very simple in Pabbly Connect. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here. So you just need to click that particular data, and this is how the values will be mapped here, and you do not have to add any detail manually. Okay, now if I'll click on this button save and send test request, in the response you will see that I will receive the rest of the details as well. So here you can see I have received the title. Now where is the video link? Okay, I'll have to check for that as well. Well, on checking this particular data, I haven't received the video URL. So from where I'm going to add the video URL? So let me show you something really very interesting. This is my video URL, and it is actually divided into the two parts. First part is the static part, which will never change. That is https://www.youtube.com/watch?v equal to. Okay, the first part is not going to change, it will remain same every time, and the second part is actually the video ID, which will always change. Okay, so this is how our video link has been made of, basically with the help of this and this. Okay, it is the combination of these two things. So how about we create this link manually? Not the manually, because this is something which we are automating, so we are going to automate it only, but let me show you how you can do that. It's really very interesting. Okay, so the second step is also done. Now finally I'll be adding this data, and while adding the data I will also create this particular link. Okay, coming back here, and since I want to add all these details into MS Excel, so that is why the action application here will be the Microsoft Excel. Here is our application, and in action event, well, I want to add the data. Okay, where is add the data? Add row to the worksheet. Okay, so this is my worksheet, and I want to add a new row in which the data will be updated. So that is why I'll go with this particular action event. Now I'll be connecting my Microsoft Excel with Pabbly Connect. So I have selected add a new connection, and here you need to provide the access of your OneDrive account, or you can say the access of your Excel account. And after providing the access, here you can see my Excel account is also connected. It is asking to select the workbook. So I have the workbook name as all YouTube comment. Okay, so I'll have to search for the very same workbook. And here you can see whatever the workbooks I have created into my MS Excel account, into my OneDrive account, have started visible here since we are connected. Okay, let me search for the same, and we have all YouTube channel comments. Okay, let me cross check whether it is the same or not, and yes, all YouTube channel comment. Okay, now the second thing I'm going to select is the worksheet, that is the sheet 1. I just have the single sheet only which has got selected automatically, so I'm not going to make any changes here. Asking for the, well, why it is taking time? Okay, it is done. Okay, asking for the column name, column A, B, C, and these are the same columns which I have added into my MS Excel. Okay, so the date, the comment, the video link, the video title, and the author. Well, these are the same things. Okay, since we have selected the same spreadsheet, I'm sorry for that, the same workbook. Okay, so now I'm going to map these details one by one. Asking for the date, so I don't need to manually copy the data and paste it here. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the comment updated date here. So here I have the comment date which I have mapped. Second thing, it is asking for the comment on channel. So remember, we have received the comment from our first YouTube video step. So again, I'm going to map the YouTube video comment which I have received. Okay, it is also done. Asking for the video URL. Well, this is going to be very interesting. Okay, so you will have to copy the first part of your video URL, of your video link, because this is not going to change. And here after this part, I am going to map the video ID, and this is how you will see that the video URL will be automatically created. Okay, and you must be thinking that what is this mapping I am repeating again and again. Okay, so here whatever the details you're going to map here will be replaced automatically when this automation is going to work in the real time. But if you have manually provided any data here, that data will remain same. So this is how this automation is going to take place with the help of mapping only. Okay, so what will happen every time the new channel, the new comment will be arrived on channel, the details will be captured first via Pabbly Connect, and those new details will replace these existing values, basically the video ID, here the date, here the new comment will replace the old comment, and this is how the automation will take place. Asking for the title and the author. So we have already received the title. Let me search for the title from here, and we have beautiful video on earth. And yes, it is the same video title. Okay, lastly we'll have to map the author name. Okay, so again I'm going to search for the author name. All right, let me search for the author name, and here we have the author display name. Okay, I have provided all the data. I'm going to click on this button, save and send test request, and wait for the response to receive in Pabbly Connect. Well, the response has been received. Going to my Excel account and wait for the comment and other video details to be added. For that, I'll have to first refresh my MS Excel sheet. And here you can see, after refreshing this particular data, you can clearly see that the same comment has been captured here. Okay, why it is taking time, I'll have to wait. The same comment has been captured. Very nice video, amazing visual effects. Can you also create a video on the moon? Okay, I have mapped the data so that you can see it clearly, and let me even increase the font size. Okay, I hope it is visible to you now. The date is here, and just in case if you want to separate the date and the time, you can do that with the help of the split function, which is a feature of MS Excel only. Here's the comment, here we have the video URL, the title, the author name. Okay, let us first cross check whether it is the same video URL or not, because this is something which we have created manually. We cannot say that we have created it manually, and yes, you can see it is the same video. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time someone is going to add a comment here, you can keep a track on that comment via Excel sheet only, and you can share this Excel sheet with your team, and in this way you do not even have to share the access of your YouTube channel. Simply share this particular sheet, and this is how they can keep a track on the feedback of the users, on the comments of the users. Okay, so you just need to set this automation inside Pabbly Connect once, and after that everything will be happened in the backend. Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. I will also attach this shareable link of my workflow which I have created in front of you into my description box, so that whenever you're going to click on this link and sign up for free in the Pabbly Connect, the same workflow will be cloned into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.